Hey guys, welcome back. So today is 24C launch day. Today is the 15th, which is the day that the actual collection is live in stores. And I thought that we would go through the collection together as I always do with every single Chanel collection. I'll link some of my previous videos in the description box, but I am so excited about this collection because as you guys know, it's a big one, okay? People are talking about it non-stop. Cruise, I feel like, is usually the collection where Chanel tries to get like the most creative, and I don't think they disappointed here, okay? Well, I don't know. Métier d'Art is also a very creative one. Obviously, I've already seen a bunch of the pieces, as I'm sure you have too, because it's like all over social media at the moment. So I definitely have some thoughts, okay? I definitely have some thoughts, and I feel like they're shocking. So if you guys want to know what those thoughts are, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like the 24C collection, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So just subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. We post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm trying to channel 24C right now. Okay, we've got like a Barbie sweater on. Okay, we've got the little scrunchie. We're doing a little, we're cute. We're cute. We got hearts in the earrings. Like, stop. Am I 24C ready or not? You guys are going to be so proud of me because I actually finally, and it's honestly insane that I haven't had it yet, but I finally downloaded the Chanel app. So we're going to go into the Chanel app and take a look at everything. So let's start off with flat bags. The first thing we have here is a small flat bag. This is in like a metallic pink, and it looks like it has like, it's like so black, but it's like so pink. You know what I'm saying? The chain on this is a little bit thicker, and this is just like a shoulder bag. It looks kind of like a mini square, but like a shoulder bag version of it. And I have to say, this is cool. It's not a turn lock closure, by the way, which is kind of annoying. I have to say, and I'm going to say this before we even like get into it, I don't like metallics. That's not my favorite thing. I know it's like a huge trend right now. Everyone's into like really chrome type bags. That's not me. That's not what I like. So you're going to see that as we move further, okay? This is the unicorn of the collection. This is the bag that I feel everyone is talking about. This is the mini flat bag and star coin purse. This comes in a few colors, I believe. I think this is also the bigger of the two sizes. This is not even metallic. This is like chrome. Like, this is shiny as shit. It's like patent, but like metallic, but like chrome. I don't know. I think it's really cool. I will say that. And if you got it, I'm happy for you, but I would absolutely never buy this. I would never buy this. They also have it in gold. I'm pretty sure they also have silver and a purple version as well. Here's a sequins bag, and this is probably one of my least favorite bags with sequins that I've ever seen. I mean, I don't like sequins in general. Like, what do I even like? I'm just like the most boring person ever. The fact that this says disco all over it, like, did we need to do that? Like, I feel like if this just said Chanel, or like even if it said like 31 Rue Cambon, or like something, even like the number 5, like something else that wasn't disco, like I'd be like, oh,
that's kind of cute.
But the fact that it says disco just like ruins it for me. This is another one, and this is 6,500. I definitely like this one better. And this one is just like a rainbow pattern. I 100% would rather get this one than the other one. I wouldn't get this one either. But if I was going to get one, like, it would be this one. I just think this is a lot nicer and it would go with a lot more stuff. And it doesn't say disco on it. So that's a plus. Here we have the small version of the other bag. I actually prefer this size to the other one. The other one is a little bit more of like an actual square. This one is a little bit more elongated. It looks more like a mini rectangle, which I like. You know what's kind of bothering me about this? The star doesn't exactly match the bag. Like, it's the same color-ish. Like, it's the same color family. It's pink, but it's not like the same, you know? And I feel like I'd rather it match. Is that just me? Am I alone here? Probably. Here they're showing the gold, the purple, and the pink. Honestly, I think the gold is my favorite, but again, I would absolutely never. I would simply never. And again, this also does come in silver. I think Maddie Shops, which by the way, one of my favorite YouTubers ever, I'll link her unboxing for this collection, which is already up. I'll link it here. She bought the silver one, and I thought that that was definitely a nice variation, but the gold is probably my favorite. Here's a mini flap that I hate. And it's price upon request, so the price hates me back. It's fine. It's really not a big deal. I feel like this looks like a painting, but like there's random sequins in it. I don't like it at all. We've got a mini flat bag in purple. This looks like it's like an ombre, and then the chain obviously is purple as well. $5,700 seems like a lot of money for this. Seems like a lot, but okay, I guess. Is this like a bigger version? Is there 3 sizes? Are we here? Are there 3 sizes? Because we had one that was $6,300, which was kind of the boxy version. Then the smaller version, which is $6,000. And now this one is $6,800. I do like the size, actually. Here's another mini flat bag with sequins. Sequins are just like it. Sequins, pink, metallics, like that's what this collection is all about. And stars, obviously. So we have a mini flat bag that is priced upon request, and it looks like it's the size of a mini square, so that's cute. It has like star sequins on it. The purple sequins literally looks like little worms or something. Like that just doesn't even, that does not look, or like leeches like on the bag. That does not look good in my opinion. I would absolutely never price upon request my ass. Another sequins bag. This is also price upon request, and this one's okay. I don't love it. I feel like the black sequins are like throwing me off. Like I wish it was just the pastel colored sequins, but again, price per request, no. Here we have another classic handbag. This is a classic flap. $9,800 for a tweed classic flap is just wild, but okay. I do not hate this tweed, I have to say. I usually am not a big fan of tweeds from Chanel. I feel like they just put the most random color combinations together most of the time, but I do think this one is kind of cute for like the summer. I mean, again, $9,800, that would never be me, but never be me. But if you like it and, you know, you rich as fuck, go ahead. Let's move on to hobo bags. I have to say, you guys are going to be so disappointed in me because there is a bag that is a hobo style bag, and I'm already giving it away by what I'm saying that I'm starting to like. But anyways, let's start with this large hobo bag. This is $6,800, and it's like, it looks kind of like a sunset or a sunrise. Sunrise, right? Because a sunset doesn't really... Sunset? I don't know. It looks like the sun is doing some type of movement, okay? And it's like an okay color combination, but the shape of this bag is the worst. I don't think this is an attractive bag whatsoever. $6,100, that would be, in my opinion, the largest waste of money that you could ever just ever do, ever. Then there's a Chanel 22. You guys know this is not my fave bag, so I probably won't have much to say. I do like this yellow color though. This pastel color yellow I think is gorgeous, and I guess if you were gonna get a 22, maybe like this would be the one. I don't know. I wouldn't get it. I take it back. If you were gonna get a 22, this would be the one, because this one is really cool. It has like the rainbow hardware, and I absolutely love it. I like how the Chanel is like also that iridescent rainbow hardware. Oh my God. I like this one a lot. If you wanted a white 22, this is the one to get in my opinion. Okay, look at me already regretting. Like, are there just infinity nice 22s in this collection? Look at this pink one. This is stunning, you guys. You cannot tell me this is not gorgeous. I like the mini more than I like the bigger 22 anyways, so that's definitely why I would get this. I think this is gorgeous, and the pink, in my opinion, looks even better with the like rainbow iridescent hardware than the white does. So, this is the one I would get. In my opinion, this is the best thing that we have seen so far. This should be the unicorn of the collection. There's another Chanel 22. I don't like this one at all. At all. This one looks like it's like ombre from white to like a gray color. But in reality, it just looks like it's a white bag that's dirty as hell. And I just can't get on board with this. So we're going to go ahead and say no. So the Deauvils in this collection are actually super special. Obviously, I feel like a lot of things from this collection are super special. But this is $7,700. It's definitely not worth $7,700, but it is really cute. I will say, like, I think that this gradient is really, it's really like a nice pastel gradient. It's not like too much in my opinion. And I like the way that the Chanel kind of blends in a little bit. I think it's really cute, but not $7,700 worth of cute. There's another variation, and I think this is actually the smaller size of the Deauville. And I do obviously like the smaller size better because I like smaller bags in general, but I don't like this gradient as much as the other one. I thought the other one was a little bit more girly and cute. They also have it in blue, and blue is my favorite color, but I don't like this at all. I don't like the way that this transitions at all. I think it's too stark, it's too aggressive, and no, it's just too much. And apparently they have it in purple and blue as well, which I probably like even less. Oh, I didn't know they made this bag into a backpack. I really had no idea. Let me see. Let me see the look. It's kind of cute. Honestly, I don't hate this as a backpack. $7,200 for a backpack though is wild. This, on the other hand, what the shit is this? What even is this? This reminds me of like a baby carrier. Like, why does it look like that? $5,800 for this ugly, like, this is ugly. Like, I'm sorry if this was your favorite thing in the world, but this is ugly. Let's just, you know, get into that star bag, okay? I really don't like this star bag. And I know that I'm not alone. I feel like a lot of people are kind of on the same boat as me. And I guess you would expect, since I liked the heart bag, which I do have also behind me over there, I would have liked this bag, but I sure as hell don't. I really don't. This looks like a bag that I would literally give Alana. And I think she might have something like this, actually. I just can't be on board with it. I just can't. I think the heart was done a lot better. It looks a little bit more like classic. Obviously it's in the shape of a heart, but it looks more like a timeless shape than this star. This star just looks wild. And it looks like it's literally for a child, and I'm not aboard. And so that's where I'm at with that. There's a clutch that has that same like stupid painting pattern with sequins on it, but this one has trees. So if you want it to be ugly with trees, now you can, just for a small price upon request. Okay, let's talk about the van. Okay, you guys know Chanel always comes out with like the really cute I don't even know how to say it, Minadier. They always come out with the really cute clutches, okay? But in my opinion, this is just not one of them. Why would I want to walk around with a Chanel bus with like a surfboard on top? Like, that's just not, it's just not it, okay? Like, I'd rather go for Judith Lieber at this point. Actually, even because Judith Lieber is less. So I'd definitely rather go for Judith Lieber. They have a baguette bag. Like, what is even this? Oh, I hate this. I feel personally attacked by this bag. I do not like this bag at all. I like the shade of pink that it is. And I like the CC logo being like, it looks almost like it's that vintage CC logo, you know, and it was like big as hell on the jumbos. But other than that, this is the worst and I don't like it at all. This is like a doctor's bag. Again, like, why are we going so hard with this doctor's bag theme? I do not like this whatsoever. $4,900 is several $100s too much. Bag with top handle. Now this, like, I want to like it, but it just looks so disproportionate. Like, why does it look like it ate too much at Thanksgiving dinner and it's just like bloated as hell? I don't like it at all. I guess this tweed is obviously not the worst thing. This is the same tweed that I said that I liked, but the shape of the bag is just wrong. Just get a mini top handle at this point. Like, what is that? It's like, it's just not, it just looks out of place completely. And I don't like it. It comes in blue. It comes in pink, both pearlescents, I believe. And I think it comes in 2 different sizes. I don't care. They both look strange. We have a metallic bum bag, which is interesting. I feel like they came out, am I wrong? They came out with like an ombre that was almost exactly like this in a previous collection. Let me know in the comments if I'm lying. And also let me know if it did come out, what collection was that? Because, you know, I don't know. You know, it's not my favorite thing in the world. But if you like really bright metallic things, like this might be your favorite thing. $5,200. Oh, I don't like how she's wearing it. Why is she holding it like that? That's not how you hold a bum bag. Oh, I'm sorry. This stupid bag comes in a bigger size as well. So that's good. I actually like the bigger size more than the smaller size. I don't know if the smaller size, because it's like this, it looks weird to me. But either way, this one still is not my favorite thing. So let's do small leather goods, because, you know, there's going to be a lot of fun shit in there. And I'm very excited. Wallets on chain. You guys know I recently got a wallet on chain up there. I'll link the unboxing up here. I'm very much converted to Team Wallet on Chain. I will be doing a review on that very soon. Maybe today I'll film that, actually, when I come home for lunch. This looks like it's the trendy CC wallet on chain, but the top bar where it says Chanel is actually in like rainbow letters and it's like popped up. Is it always popped up? No, right? It's usually engraved. $43.50 for this. I think the color on this is pretty cool. I don't really like the rainbow letters, but I don't hate this. Wait, this looks kind of cool. What is this? It's a wallet on chain in that same orange shade. This one's in caviar though, and it has silver hardware, but the CC is in like a bright pink and the interior is in pink. Listen, I wouldn't buy this, but I think it's really cool. This, on the other hand, I think is bad. I actually was watching somebody's review on this bag. I don't remember whose it was. Maybe it was Irene. I'll link her video up here. And Elver was next to me while I was watching the video, and he looks at the screen and he's like,
they put rollerblades on a Chanel bag.
I mean, I get it, but like, I don't get it. I would never. Clutches with chain. This, for me, this is always the most exciting part because they always have like such fun stuff. So clutch with chain. Oh my God, $39.75 is wild for this. This looks tiny, but I do really like this color of pink. This is gorgeous. Okay. I don't like the shape of this. Like, it's so square. Listen, we're going to talk about this now. We're going to talk about this because I've started to like the little vanity bags. You guys, I hated these bags with a passion. You know this. I've mentioned it in things I'm not purchasing videos. I'll link one up here, but I've seen them styled really well recently, and I just can't deny that I think they're kind of cute. And I'm like, shit, do I need one? I don't know. I don't know, because you guys know 2024 is going to be a slow year for me, very slow. So I need to really pick and choose wisely. But I really like the top handle on this. I like it when they have like different top handles, like top handles that are not just like the regular top. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. This is honestly really cool to me. It's really freaking cool. It's a chrome silver bag, which again, not for me, but I think it's cool as hell. I really, really like it. I think it's so like metallic and rainbow and reflective that it's like really, really cool. Look at this. Like, this is just so freaking chrome and iridescent. This pink color is really cool. I think I like this even better than the other one, just because I like the shape of this a little bit more. And $4,050 for this. It looks like it even fits more than a wallet on chain. This is like a phone holder in the trendy CC style. And I love this shade of blue, by the way. I wish that the Chanel obviously was not in like a rainbow. Like, I wish it was just one color, gold, silver, you know, choose. I do think it's expensive as hell for what it is, though. I'll tell you that. Like, for like $100 or $200 more, you just get the wallet on chain, which obviously is going to fit more. So yeah, don't know about that price. You know what? Let me look at the shoes for 2 seconds just to confirm that I don't like the shoes. So I'm pretty sure I still don't like any of the shoes, but I do want to talk about these Mary Janes because I feel like everyone's talking about them. And like, why are we like, this just reminds me of when me and my mom used to go to Cookies so that I could get my school uniform. Like, this is the vibe that I'm getting from this. The loafers that everyone is obsessed with right now, $15.75. I think these are okay. I mean, I would rather just get loafers in black, I feel like, because that would just match with everything. And I kind of don't like the hardware being the same color on these shoes. I don't know what the reason is, but I don't like it. Honestly, these are probably the best shoes in the collection, in my opinion, are these sneakers. I think they're really cool. $12.25. I actually think I like the high top versions more, which is weird. I'm not a high top type of person at all. But I don't know. They look kind of cool. I did not see these before. This is wild. They are light up. They have light up heels, you guys. Light up heels. And honestly, that's kind of cool. I wouldn't get them because $3,500 for a pair of boots is insane. It's insane. But that is really, really cool. That's like a collector's piece if I've ever seen one. I have to say, this collection is obviously very like outside the box. Like, if you like really like funky stuff, this is obviously going to be a collection for you. I am not like that. You guys know I am boring as hell. I am boring. So for me, this is obviously not my favorite collection. I will say there are some cool things in it though. Like, there are some pieces that I can look at from here and say, damn, that's cute, without buying them. I think the standout bag for me for this collection is the Mini 22 with the iridescent hardware though, in the pink. I think that was freaking gorgeous. Like absolutely gorgeous. I wish that bag came in like a different color because I would think about buying it. You guys know I'm not a 22 lover, but the way that that one is executed, it just looks so good. And the rainbow hardware just really like brings it up several notches. I absolutely love it. But pretty much that was it. So let me know in the comments, what was your favorite thing that we spoke about today? Is there anything that I didn't talk about that you feel like I should have talked about? I don't feel like I missed anything, but you obviously, you let me know because you know better than me. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I want a huggy for mommy.
Love you too. Thank you.